Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the new topic of our 8th lesson, that is profit, loss and discount. In that we already learned about profit as well as loss. So now today we are going to learn about discount. Do you know why the discount is given? What is the reason behind the discount? The main reason is that whenever the discount is there, the consumers are more attracted towards it. So whenever the shopkeepers are telling that if you will purchase this dress or this material or this type of the object or this type of a goods, so you will have this much percent of discount. So what that exactly means, that we are going to learn in this topic. Mostly all over the ladies, they are very much familiar with this all things. So whenever the discount or sale is there, they are running to purchase everything. So what it exactly means? So discount is nothing but whatever the old goods are there, which are present in the shop, or the damaged goods are there which are present in the shop, to dispose them, the shopkeeper is putting discount on the mark price. Mark price means on any type of the goods there is a mark price given. So that price, on that he is putting some amount of the discount, either in the percentage. Okay. So this is about the discount. Then this discount is further calculated in this way. We should know the selling price equals to mark price minus discount. Definitely we know discount we are getting on the mark price. So from the mark price, whatever the discount will be there, it will be less than that. For example, I have one dress which is purchased near about 500 rupees. So the shopkeeper is giving discount on that, and that discount I am getting it means near about 450 rupees. Means 50 rupees less he is giving the discount. So that is why selling price will be what then? It was a mark price and it is the selling price will be 450. Okay. So discount of how much it will be? 50 rupees. Okay. So on means whatever the 500 rupees dress is there, each 500 rupees it will get the 50 rupees discount. So if we are subtracting this 500 minus 50, we will get the selling price as a 450. So discount will be how much? How we will find out if selling price is given and mark price is given? So definitely discount equals to mark price minus this selling price. When this selling price will go this side, it will be subtracted. Okay. Then if discount is D percent, means discount percent, then in that case, if it is given in percentage, then selling price equals to 100 minus discount is in percent. So D upon 100. So 100 minus D upon 100 and multiply by mark price. And in this case, if suppose mark price we have to find out. So here what will happen? Mark price equals to 100 upon 100 minus discount multiplied by selling price. So with these formulas, we are going to solve the examples which are given about the discount. Here we have one example from our textbook that we are going to solve now. A tradesman marks his good at 35% above the cost price. Means above the cost price, the mark price is 35% and then allows purchasers a discount of 15%. Means on the mark price, he is putting as 35%, and afterwards he puts the discount of 15% on that. So what is the profit percent does he have? So what will be the profit he is getting, that we have to find out. So in this question, here we can see, let the cost price be 100. Okay, so we will consider the cost price be 100 rupees 100. So mark price will be 100 plus, as we know, it is said in the question that the mark price is near about 35% above the cost price. So above the cost price means addition. So cost price 100 and this is 35%. So 100 plus 35, it will be 135. Then discount equals to 15% of this. Means after this, whatever the mark price is there, on that he is giving the discount to the purchasers near about 15%. So 15% of mark price. So it will be 20 rupees and 25 paise. Okay. Then selling price equals to, selling price we have to take out. So it will be 135 minus discount is how much? 20.25. So 20 rupee point means 20 rupee 25 paise, and then when we will subtract this, we are getting the answer as selling price, that is 114 rupees 75 paise. Then profit on this, how much profit he is getting after putting the discount also. So how much is the profit here? Selling price minus cost price, this formula we know. So here we are getting the, by putting the value, we are getting the answer as 14 rupee and 75 paise. Then profit percent, as we know that profit upon cost price multiplied by 100, by putting the values in this formula, we are getting it as 14 rupees and 14.75% profit he is getting after putting the mark price. In that mark price he is putting 35% again. Okay, so this is about the discount example. Again some more examples we will see to make you clear. Now let us discuss about the different type of the example about the discount. Okay, so let us have a look to this example. A dealer allows his customers a discount of 25% and still gains 25% if an article cost is rupees 1440 to the dealer. Find its selling price, and second is find its mark price. So how we are going to solve this example? What is asked here? Selling price. So how we can take out the selling price? So let us solve this example. First of all, we know that cost price is rupees 1440 and profit percent is 25%. So SP equals to, we know this formula, SP is equals to 100 plus 25. 25 means what? Discount. Okay. So 100 plus 25 upon 100 multiply by cost price. So it will be 1440. So if we will calculate this, we will get the answer as 1800 rupees. Now, in the second case, what is asked there? It's mark price. So what will be the mark price? We know now selling price, and we know the formula to find the selling price. Okay. So selling price is 1800 and discount is 25%. So in this case, mark price equals to 100 upon 100 minus discount. So discount is how much? 25 multiplied by 1800. So after calculating this, 100 minus 25, we are getting 75, and when we will calculate this, we will get the answer as 2400 rupees. So this was about one different type of the example. Now we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is tax. So what do you understand by tax? Already we know, for any of the material which we are purchasing from the shop, as well as for any other types of the salaries, everywhere the tax is compulsory. So there is some of the other reason behind the tax, why the government is having the tax on each of the things which we are purchasing. So when you will go for the gold shop, there also you will find there is tax. So there you have to pay for the tax also, whatever you are purchasing the things, or whatever the goods you are buying up from the outside, they also have some percent of the tax on that. So what is the reason behind that? Might be your parents are there for government jobs. There also tax is there. So whatever the employees are there who are working in any type of the field, everyone needs the tax to be filled. So what is the reason behind that? Why everyone has to pay this tax? The reason is that government needs money for different types of the things which are there in our whole daily life. For example, just have a look to this first point, to provide various types of facilities. Now, various types of facilities like roadways are there, railways are there, then again different types of the sanitary systems are there. Then again the people who are living in very small areas, there also the people doesn't have the houses to live, they doesn't accommodate that much, or they don't have the capacity to make the house. For them also government is providing some of the facilities, or otherwise the food which is not available for the people who are sitting on the roadside. So how they will get all such things? So most of the times government is providing all type of the things to them. So why it is so? They are getting this all the things from the taxes. So to provide the facilities to each and every citizen of the country, the government is having the tax facility. Means from everyone the tax is collected, and this tax goes for the different type of the facilities. So the second point is for construction and maintenance of roads, hospitals, etc. As I told you, hospitals are there, government hospitals, government different types of the houses which are provided to the very poor people. So all this, for building all such things, it is necessary. Sometimes government offices are there, so who is going to prepare all these things? Yes, so government needs tax for this preparation. Then the third point comes, to meet the administrative expenses. Now administrative expenses means what? Means whatever the administration is going on. So sometimes the person is traveling for the government's some service is there. So to accommodate that, again the expenses are paid by the government. So for all these things also government needs money. Then the next point comes, to execute welfare and development schemes. Means whatever the welfares, for example, some of the we can see the ashrams are there, then different types of the means diseases peoples are present. So like that ashrams who will take care, or women welfare centers are there, so health issues are there many of the people. So this all the things are covered in this type of the taxes. Then again development schemes means what? Whatever the scheme is provided by the government, so it should be again satisfied with that. So how it will be done? So it is done with the help of the tax which is given by the people. Next comes, to meet the expenses of salary of employees, etc. Means whatever the expenses are there of a person, on that salary also the tax is paid. So whatever the employees are getting the salaries, that also are fulfilled with the help of the tax. So whatever the central government or state government is there, so they are providing the salaries to the employees with the help of the tax only. So that is why always now GST is there. So for any of the materials which are purchased from the market, every good is needing a tax. So now how to calculate this tax? On what basis the tax is calculated? It's very easy and simple method to solve the percentage in the percentage form of tax. So it involves mostly in the concept of percentage only. So in the tax is again it is depending on the nature of the goods which we are purchasing or which we are using. In if the goods are in the daily items or necessary things are there, then on that the common man is getting the exemption. Sometimes it is partially or whole the exemption is getting. It depends on the terms and condition how the tax will be on the different commodities. So tax can be calculated in further ways also. So mostly tax is calculated on the sale price. Whatever the sale price is there of any of the goods or commodities, on that whatever the sale price is there, on that basis the tax is mostly calculated. Then second point, tax can be calculated in this way. Whatever the rate of the tax is there, multiply by scale price. Means whatever the sale price is there, so this sale price multiply by this rate of tax and divided by 100. So there we will get the value of tax. Then rate of tax. This rate of tax we should know. So how to take out this rate of tax? Rate of tax equals to tax upon sale price multiply by 100, and we will get the tax in the percentage form. As I told you, it involves mostly the concept of percentage. So the tax can be calculated in the further formulas, and it will be very useful to solve the examples. So in this way we can calculate the tax. So today we learn about the discount as well as tax. So how to calculate the tax? You have to just go through all the examples, and second thing, whatever the formulas of discount as well as tax are there, read it, understand it, and write it always and in a regular way. So we will solve the different examples based on discount as well as tax in the next period. Thank you.